The most important aspect of a pass rusher's game is relentlessness. Top edge players have the ability to notch sacks on second and third efforts. When I watch Bjorn Warner on tape, I know that he possesses the traits to be a double-digit sack artist at the next level. He has the ability to win with speed and quickness off the edge, but also displays a non-stop motor that allows him to win and get to the quarterback after initially being stopped in his tracks. At 6'3", 266 pounds, with 4.83 speed, he reminds me of a young Jared Allen. I scouted a 5-time Pro Bowler when he was coming out of Idaho State and clocked him at 4.72 at his workout. He emerged from obscure status as a fourth-round pick in Kansas City to become one of the most dominant pass rushers in NFL history, relying on a game built upon speed, quickness, desire, and effort. With Warner displaying similar traits on the collegiate level, I believe he has the talent and potential to make his mark in the NFL as a top rusher. For more videos, check out NFL.com/pro comparison.